This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, Deepak sir.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me, guys? Hello. Hello. Hi, Nikhil. Hi, Lama. Um, can you hear me, guys? Hello. Hello. Nikhil.
Yes, sir,
Hello.
you
Can
are
you?
audible.
No, but I can't hear Nikhil's and Lama voice. So just want to interact with them. Hello. Hello, Nikhil. Lava, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You can start.
Okay. Okay. Just want to understand, Nikhil Lava, uh, the training part, right? What exactly your experience is? Just want to know about yourself before starting this.
I am I'm just basically a student right now. I completed my
Mm-hmm.
graduate right now.
Okay. So, how did you come to know about this topic?
Hmm, I'm searching for jobs. In that way, I got this.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Got it. How about Nikhil? Is the same with him? Hello. Hi, Nikhil. Okay, I can't hear Nikhil. Just I'll tell you about the C4C. It's a basic for a demo purpose. I don't take much time. I'll tell you within 15-20 minutes or half an hour what exactly it is. Uh,
Hmm.
C4C. Okay, just want to know any specific thing, specific ask from your side. Have you gone through any earlier demo of mine or something on the subject
No,
wise?
this is the first.
Okay. So I'll suggest that if you can go with the demo, I'll give a detailed demo. I'll tell
Okay.
Mrudul, right? She can share you the detailed demo part, but I'll tell you about
Mm-hmm.
overall topic wise. Okay. See,
Okay.
this is an ERP application. Okay, ERP is this is
Mm-hmm.
Enterprise Resource Planning. Now, what is ERP? It is combination or integration of multiple applications in one system. Okay, so that
Mm.
multiple application, like if I'm saying about finance, this system can be integrated with finance, system can be integrated with material mass management, system can be integrated with warehouse management. So it is integrated with all other applications. Second is
Mm-hmm.
SAP. Have you heard about SAP?
Yeah.
Okay, SAP is
Mm-hmm.
a software, okay, which uh, is used worldwide. Okay, it's an ERP application which is used worldwide. Okay,
Okay.
and that SAP application uh, is very much there are around more than 100 modules. Okay, more than 100 modules in SAP. Each module have
Mm-hmm.
their own relevance. Similarly, within those 100 plus modules, CRM module is one of the very important module. Okay, one of the module
Mm.
from that 100 module. And in
Okay.
CRM, there is a cloud application. Cloud application in the sense it is a SaaS product. SaaS, you have you heard about SaaS? SaaS.
No.
It's a software as a service. Now, what is that software as a service? Uh, okay, I'll tell you about the cloud application. What is cloud? You know what is cloud? Any idea?
No idea.
No idea. Have you used Gmail?
Yeah.
How do you open Gmail?
Mm, there is a software you can open. No. App,
Software or URL?
mobile application, mobile URL and mobile applications.
Mobile application in mobile you open, and in laptop if you are opening, then how you're opening?
URL.
URL is there, right? What is the URL?
Mm,
www.gmail.com.
yeah.
Correct. And where you open that
Mm,
URL?
Google search.
Google you
Yeah.
open it, right? Sometimes in
Yeah.
Microsoft Edge, which came, right, earlier Internet Explorer was there, so you can
Mm,
open there also. Correct.
mm, mm.
You can also open in any other browser like Bing also,
Yeah, I
right?
can also open.
Firefox also you can open, Mozilla,
Mm,
right?
yeah.
So what does it mean? The URL which you have opened in multiple application, in fact the mobile application, and it does not require any system, okay, to have a VPN access, You heard about VPN, right? Server VPN. You require VPN to open
Yeah.
any of the.
Mm.
So you
Mm.
don't require that. Then those URL comes under a cloud application. So the Gmail, Google is also a cloud, because you can log in your Gmail URL with any applications, right? Any browser, anywhere,
Yeah.
and you can
Yeah.
access your
Yeah.
email.
Yeah.
Similarly, C4C in a cloud or any cloud application will have a URL.
Mm.
Okay, like you
Okay.
can see in my screen, this is a URL. Just you need to
Mm.
log in with the URL. It will open in any application, any browser.
Okay.
Okay, and when you log in,
Mm.
what it does, it will ask you the user ID and password. You
Yeah.
see, in the system, it will ask you user ID and password.
Mm.
So when you put your user ID and password, it will open this application. Okay. Now, what is the URL? Is it this URL is applicable for all the companies, all the people? Question may come, right? Then remember,
Mm.
no, this URL has a 6-digit unique identification number,
Okay.
350467. This is specific to client.
Mm.
Client or customer, they purchase this. And it they
Mm.
doesn't purchase URL, they purchase entire application, which cost very huge to them, right? It goes more than a couple of CRs. Okay.
Mm.
So they purchase this application with URL so that they can run their business with this application. And this
Mm.
URL, this 6-digit identification number is specific to that client. It cannot be viewed by anybody else, any other companies. They need to
Mm.
have their own URL.
Mm.
Clear?
Okay.
So that is the reason this is called as a cloud application. Why? It is can be logged into the any application with a URL. Second advantage
Mm.
of a cloud application is where you save the data of this. Wherever you are typing, right? When you are doing any entry in the system, like for example,
Mm.
if I am doing any entry in the system, right? If see
Mm.
if there is any entry, like these are the entries, where it is saved. Is it saved in your laptop?
No.
No, right? It is
No.
saved in this application only. When you open a URL, then only you can see this, not in your
Yeah.
laptop, right?
Mm.
So where the data
Yeah.
actually saved, because we need to know, right? If it is a cloud application, I am saying somewhere there should be a data saving, right? In laptop also, when we say
Mm.
when we open any application or any document, and when we save it, it will be saved in somewhere in the drives, right?
Yeah.
Somewhere in the hard disk or anywhere, right?
Yeah.
Whenever we remove the hard disk,
Mm.
whatever we saved, it will go.
Mm.
Similarly, in the application also, there should be somewhere there is a hard disk, right? There should be some data point where the data is saved.
Mm. Yeah.
So the data is saved in the data center. Okay. So
Mm.
data center is not necessary will be there with a client area. Data center will be
Mm.
anywhere in the world. Mostly
Mm.
there are 3 data centers. Okay. One is in US, one is in Australia, and third is in Denmark.
Mm.
Okay, that means and how this data this country is divided, and then how this URL is accessed. The URL is accessed by the nearby countries where 3 to 4 hour distance time zone differences will be there. 3 to 4 hour.
Mm.
So Australia is maximum 3 to 4 hour or 5 hour, right? Time zone differences. Similarly, if it is for anywhere in the Middle East, that is also hardly 3 to 4 hour differences. So that means Australia data center works for all region in the Middle East and India and China and other. For you can put it as an Australasia approximately, Australia and entire Asia. Similarly, Europe part, Denmark, it is in Europe, right? So entire Europe is handled by a Denmark data center. And similarly, for US, Canada, South Africa, and all these are handled by US data center. Clear?
Yeah.
So the data is saved there. Now, what happens? to the security of the data, right? If data is safe, then it should be secure. So SAP uh, maintain all the data. Whenever you purchase a license or company purchase a license, they make an agreement that the data should be secured, and if there is any corrupt data happened or any issue happens with the server, it is SAP responsibility to take a backup of all the data, and whenever client require, they need to give those data available in the applications. And whenever data is saved in the data center or in the server, it is encrypted data. That means nobody can view the data. Only when it comes to the system, then only you can view, right? Otherwise it will be saved as an encrypted, that is star 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 star. Did you get the security concept?
Yeah.
Now this is what the SaaS application. Overall, that is the reason it is called as a SaaS, because data center will be somewhere and URL can be accessed throughout the world. It is also, this CRM application is also having its own app. You can download from mobile also, and you can open this URL from the application function. Why it is done so? Because C4C system is a pre-sales system and part of sales. That means most of the sales activity will be done within this system. So most of the pre-sales and salesmen, sales guy, right? Sales guy don't require to sit in the laptop every time, right? They need to visit to the client. They need to talk to them. They need to take a requirement, understand the requirement. They need to create an order, right? For them. So if mobile application is there, it will be very easy for them, right? Immediately they can put and save it. It will save the time, right? Not every time they can carry a laptop and go somewhere. So that is the reason C4C application is also given for a mobile enablement. So salespeople, without losing their time, they can focus on the sales and put the data in the mobile so that it will be saved in the UI. Clear? Now, what is CRM application? CRM is nothing but customer relationship management. It is a front end application. That means whenever the sales team or a marketing team or post sale services. Remember, post sale services means you sold your laptop, and then after, when you go to purchase a laptop in Lenovo or HP showroom, when you purchase a laptop, it's over with a Lenovo or HP. Or if you face, you will get a warranty, right? If you face any challenges with the system, you go and complain to them and they will rectify it, right? That means it is a relationship built. So that too also can be handled with this application, post sales services in the CRM application. So CRM uh, uh, is good for marketing, good for sales, and also good for post sales services. Clear? This is about the CRM application. And CRM application can be integrated with any other application in the world. C4C application I'm talking about. And see why it is called is C4C? It is cloud for customer. That means it is a application which is a CRM application, but it is on cloud. Clear? Now, CRM application on cloud has so many features. In this, you can have a view. The front end is called as a Fury. Remember, front is called as a Fury screen. Fury means it will be easily enabled in your mobile application as well. That is the reason Fury comes into place, right? So this applications is very much used all by all the industries, by all the clients. Why? Because anybody required to have a marketing and sales, then only they go for a manufacturing, right? Without sales, how will they go for a manufacturing? Or without sales, how will they sell a product? So to sell a product, CRM is mandatory for any company. N number of companies, whoever, they will definitely have a CRM application or any cloud applications. That is the reason this application is very much important, and it is always on demand. Clear? This CRM has a process flow, that is, it is from a lead. That means any inquiry comes, it create a lead, it then convert the lead to an opportunity, to a quotation, and to an order. So it has 4 different process, and then there is a service ticket management, there is a campaign management. So many things are there in these applications to learn. So very
What
vast
is the purpose of
applications.
uh, security and ticket servicing management?
Yeah, ticket management is, for example, you purchase something from a customer, right? You purchase from a vendor. For example, you go to a Lenovo showroom and you purchase a laptop for yourself. Now, if you
Hmm.
purchase a laptop, they given you a warranty for 1 year or 2 year, whatever it may be. Now, within 1 year, if your laptop has a problem, what will you do next? They will give you
Raise
a
a
customer
concern or
service
a
number.
security ticket. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Then you can raise a concern or a ticket. And as soon
Hmm.
as they receive a ticket, they will start calling you, following up with you, tell you that, okay, if it is under warranty, can you give me your invoice number, right? Can you give me your bill number, whatever it may be. They'll put it and they will see, okay, it is purchased from this location this time, and that's, yes, it comes under a warranty. Can you bring your laptop to the nearby center, right? We will repair and give it to you. So this can
So
be handled.
yeah.
Yeah.
So this has a inbuilt or standalone ticketing tool, or we are going to use
Yes,
some
it
other
is
ticketing
having
tool.
an inbuilt. See, it is also having an inbuilt ticketing tool which you can modify according to the business requirement. Anything in the system, right, will be modified. It is there as an inbuilt, right? It is having a ticket. You will receive a ticket. Anybody sends an email, na, it will create a ticket in C4. And within the ticket, it will be assigned to the relevant person also. And that relevant person can see and talk to the customer, because the customer should be already maintained, right? Anybody purchase, that means it will be a customer to the company. And then if that customer raise a ticket, it will be identified as a customer. And priority can be set. If it is under warranty, they require very urgently, it is urgent priority, right? So they need to follow up with the customer, talk to the customer, and then resolve their queries. That is how the company gain their confidence from the customer's end, and also their sales increases because of customer service. Anybody, if they provide service well, anybody can go and purchase their product. If company does fail in providing a service, nobody purchase their product. That means service industry or providing a services is another important part to increase the revenue or the sales. So this is how, see, ticketing works. Subject, open, high tickets. Now, what are the activities you did for that customer? So this is all standard, but you can also modify. Some customers who told, right? For example, tea industry told me, I have a separate requirement. I have hardly a requirement is ticket would be raised, and that's enough. My anybody will come, person will come and do an inquiry on that. Assume there is an automobile industry. They will tell, no, I want a very exhaustive ticket management, where complaint will be categorized in multiple way. Like, for example, if it is an or a four-wheeler, in four-wheeler, where exactly the issue is it with the engine, is it with a chassis, is it with a tire, whatever issue, and then further drill down will happen. And then exact issue, if it is there, then system will assign automatically to the right skill person who can take care of that, or right technician who can take care of that issue. So industry
Got
to industry, this will be modified. Okay, like for
I
example,
have
when you go and put.
another query regarding this. Like, as you mentioned that this can be customized. So,
Hmm,
as per SAP, there is some customizations. Like in CRM, we have SPRO paths for configuration. So here, how can we customize? Is there any
yes, there
different?
is a
Hmm.
configuration. Yes, see, this SAP legacy system, right, on premise system, will run via navigation part also, SPRO also, and then with the T codes, right? You normally put a T codes for respective. In
Right.
cloud application, it is all through a navigation. There is no T codes. Okay. So it is all navigation. That means you can go through one by one and then you can do the transaction. Now, similar to SPRO, here there is a business configuration. Implementation project. In SPRO, you see IMG is there, right? So IMG is nothing but implementation project,
Image fusion. Yeah.
right? Here you can do the configuration. Fine tuning is the SPRO. So here, if you go, you see all the configuration options. Okay, you can do the settings here as well.
Okay.
Now, I was giving an example, like you purchase a mobile phone, right? Your mobile phone will have a basic applications, 10 to 12 applications, standard. Then what you do? You, as per your requirement, add different apps, right? You can add 10 to 12 different apps. Again, over and above whatever standard it is there. Then you can also do a setup in your WhatsApp, you can do a setup in your mobile, you can set up your email, multiple emails in one Gmail boxes. You can do a lot of, that means you are configuring according to your requirement, right? Doesn't mean that somebody else will purchase the same mobile, will have some other requirement. So that is the reason applications also behave in the similar manner. When somebody purchase, they, according to their industry requirement, they modify it. So it can also be worked for an industry specific requirement as well. So you can modify the applications. So this is what the importance of this application. Further, you can integrate with SAP ERP, S4HANA, any other applications apart from SAP, non-SAP applications also. You can integrate this application. That means the data flow, the data consistency will be happening in a smoother way. That means different business people, like sales people or manufacturing people, will have no differences in terms of customer handling, right? Or service people will have no differences that the customer for a sales was different and the service was different. No, both the customer is same. That is how the integration functions or the integration works. Clear?
Yeah, clear. But I have one doubt. Like SAP CRM and SAP C4C, can they coexist?
CRM is an older name, which is an on-premise application. On-premise means you need to have a server on the company premises. Well, just now I told,
Right.
the server on the company premises means you need to have a server room separately. You need to
Yeah.
have a proper lighting system. You need to have a proper air conditioning system. You need to have uh, two resources, that is networking as well as basis resources, 24/7 monitoring the servers, right? If there should be downtime, there should not be any issue in the server while working in all three time zones, all three timings, right? 24/7. So it costs
Right.
to the companies, right?
Hmm.
What has happened in a cloud application? SAP told everything we will maintain. Server will be in our premises. Security will be maintained by me, ourselves. Any backup taken, that is also our. Networking also ours. You just take a subscription. You pay per month to us license fees, and you work in the system. It is your system. That is how cloud
Got
works. Clear?
Yes.
So that is the reason people are moving from on-premise to cloud. Why? Because why to spend so much amount in maintaining the servers, right? And you need to have a separate room, so many people, so many cost, right? Rather save the cost. Given vendor, they will maintain it. I'll just pay the license fees. Correct?
Yes.
And now in C4 also there are multiple reports as well. You can prepare multiple reports as per the requirement, business requirement. Whatever business says, like I want a report, interactive reports. Interactive reports means live reports, how it is going on, currently you can prepare the reports according to that, right?
Is this
So you can see
something
there is
related to business warehouse reports?
business warehouse. No, see, business warehouse is a separate application. It's a report of a
Yeah.
warehouse. Similarly,
Okay.
there will be a report of a CRM app, sales part, like sales report, sales forecast. You have a lead report. You will have a campaign, how much campaign you have generated a lead, how much sales you have done in that year or in a month.
Okay.
That kind of report can be generated. So it is not there in this application. Let me let me show you. See, like ticket by status, there is a report. So you can view a report. See, this is how the report functions. Okay, you can view the report. You can see the report in your own way as a table part if you want. You can see the data in the table sites, right? You can view the report multiple way. You can add more fields, information. It can be added in the reports. So you can see. So report is very interactive, and always you can modify as many report you can create. There are standard reports. There are 300 reports in C4C standard. This is how dashboard looks like, right? Dashboard in the sense, same report, multiple ways you can view. So dashboard is opening. I'll tell you one more important feature. See, you can see all the reports which is open. You can see the dashboards. You can modify it. You can extract the report in an Excel also, right? All the reports like account data, account general data, account sales data. You can create a report as per business requirement. In one screen, you can see 3 to 4 reports. That is what it is called as a dashboard, right? Reports means single report, and in dashboard, you can see multiple reports in one screen. So this is our business requirement. Another is C4C also very much integrated with social media. You can integrate with Facebook, Twitter, any social media, so that any response of a customer or reach of the customer can be done via social media also. So this is also again an important part of the C4C. You can send an email. You don't require an Outlook or anything. You can directly send an email to the customer from C4C system. Receive a ticket from the C4C system. You can create an appointment. If you can integrate it with Outlook, you can integrate with Microsoft Teams, so that whenever you create an appointment or a meeting, schedule a meeting from C4C, it will also block the calendar in your system, in your calendars. Your, in the sense, customer's calendar. So it has that many things. There is a campaign functionality. When you run a campaign, but every month it will send an email to the customer. Automatically email will be received every month, every quarter, every update that what is the product they are going to launch. So any launching of the product also you can run a campaign and all. So this is how it is uh, 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 handled here. So it is all about how we tackle those things, reaching anywhere to the customer. Multiple ways are there to reach the customer, and all the ways can be handled via CRM or C4C, which is a cloud application. CRM also it was there, but it is an on-premise. That's the reason it is more focused on cloud. There is a reason cloud application has all these things. It runs both for B2B business, that is corporate client, and for B2C, that is business to customer as well. So both the business is very much well run. In C4C also you will have a customer interaction, that is call center integration. So any call center you see in a call center, right? You can see multiple callings happen. So those calls also received in C4C. Any call happens, right? If I put any, for example, see if I put when customer assume there is a call happening with a customer. So when there is a call happening, you will receive entire information of that customer. Assume this is what I'm doing a call from a third party system. See, automatically the customer name comes here. And if you see here, just see here, entire information of the customer comes here. When, what is the name of a customer, what is his phone number, email address, what is the ticket he has raised in the past, what are the issue he has faced. Each and every information can be seen here. So this is again another functionality in the application, which can be very much handled in the CRM application. You see all the timelines, all the information of this customer, everything can be seen here, right? So this is what CRM application. Anything else you want to know in this, guys?
Like we access tables for retrieving any data.
There is no
So
such
how can
tables
we?
kind of concept in the, because
Hmm,
it is a cloud application, right? There is no such
yeah.
kind of table. Now in case of you're preparing an FS, for example, there is a development with a SDK FS you are preparing, it is very much that you just need to give the name of the field and the screen or the page layout. There is a functionality called page layout. Just give that three things, a developer will understand and they will do the development accordingly. No need to give a table and field. You are saved from that.
And the development language will be ABAP or something else.
It is an ABAP scripting language which is called as an ABSL. Okay,
Okay.
which runs under SDK, software development kit, which run in an application called as a cloud application studio. Now there is a scenario which is going to change. It is now working as a low code no code kind of functionality, and it is also now BTP as a platform is being used for any development, where you can only run the ABSL script also.
Okay.
So Nikhil, you are experienced, right? Where you are you're working in CRM or any other application?
Yeah, actually, I'm currently working on CRM application. So I'm exploring
Hmm.
C4C basically.
Okay, okay. No, it's good because I when I started my career, right, 17 years approximately. So I started with SD. and then moved to SAP CRM 2009,
Oh,
and from 2009 I worked in CRM for around 6 years, and then I moved to C4C where I'm working from last I think approximately 10 years.
oh, that's nice. Like,
So C4C, when it initiated, right, in the year 2013, it was CRM on demand.
yeah,
Okay, which came, and then which was a replica of business by design, if you have heard about that, business by design, right?
yeah, I
And then
have.
CRM on demand was not that much successful, business by design was not that much accepted, right? Then
Yes.
SAP launched with a separate uh, 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 application, that is again CRM on demand. Sorry, business by design was not a it was a failure. SAP launched by CRM on demand, which was accepted, and earlier there was a Microsoft Silverlight in 2013, okay, as a backend development. Now it is an SDK, right? There's a backend where
Yeah,
the
it's true.
configuration was done in a Silverlight. And then SAP purchased a product called as a Hybris, if you have heard about Hybris. Okay,
Yeah,
a company, SAP
address.
purchased that company and then transformed all their application into an Hybris. So Hybris was having their Fury and having an systems and all, everything SAP has utilized. And now it is
So Hybris
modified,
is
matured product.
similar kind of SAP or something different.
SAP has purchased Hybris and then utilized
Okay.
Hybris, worked with an Hybris till 2017, and then because Hybris was using an database of Oracle, right? So now
Yes.
SAP modified its own application. HANA database is SAP's own database. And then now you can
Yes.
see SAP Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. The name is changed. C4C is called as a Sales Cloud and a
Suppose.
Service Cloud.
Yeah, service cloud. Yes.
So it is now SAP's own product now,
Hmm.
and very much accepted because C4C is a cloud application and it's always upgraded every quarter in a year. That means upgrade in the month of Feb, month of May, August, and November. Like in on-premise, if we do an upgrade, it takes around 1 year. After 1 year, there's an upgradation process, right? A lot of activity need to
Yes.
be done. But
Yeah.
here it's very simple. Automatically, it will get upgraded with new feature, new functionality, which you will be knowing via SAP. They will sending an email and PPTs that these are the things which is upgraded now.
So, is there any chance, like in cloud, we get any standard issue? Is there any possibility?
See, standard issue in the sense when there is an integration, right? Most probably the integration
Yes.
issue comes. Apart from that, no issues. System application, no issue.
Okay.
Right? Anything else, Nikhil? Lava, anything else from you? I don't know. Third person also joined. I don't know the name. Sorry. Uh, but anything else you want to know? Lava, is it okay for you? I don't know whether am I pronouncing it right? I don't know.
Yeah, yeah.
So anything else you want to know? Lava,
No, no.
clear, right?
Yeah.
So this application is very much accepted now. Everybody is using now. There is an it will get upgraded coming year, which will be used as a Sales Cloud version 2 and Service Cloud version 2. Why? Because this application has lot of intelligence, AI. Now you see there is a lot of AI going on, right? Artificial intelligence. So this system has machine learning as well as artificial intelligence enabled, and the upgraded version will have much more than that. So that is the reason it is going according to the market trend and the expectation. Clear? Any questions, Nikhil, Lava? And what is the name? Sorry, I don't know you. Your name is not showing in this. So I don't know your name. Please, can you please tell me your name, please? Apart from Nikhil Lava, somebody is there, right? I don't know. Okay, no problem. Uh, Anything else, guys? Sachin. Oh, sorry, Sachin. Oh, okay. You are having an audio issue. No problem, Sachin. Any question, Sachin? Is it clear? No problem. Great. Clear for you. Great. Yeah, that's all, guys. Anything else you want to know, let me know. And then if you enroll, we'll have a session in a deep dive. It's very good for you. For how much it's comfortable? It's, see, if you are C4C is very much well integrated with SAP Why? Because metal master, metal source is system, and all the metal come from a to C4C. The product come from a S4HANA or from metal management to here. Now that is how you can manage the metal over here. Parallelly, if you want to know the customer centric things, then it is very much related to that. Not related to SRM. SRM is supplier relationship management. It is related to vendor management. C4C is customer. Okay, it's a CRM application on cloud.
So I have one query here, like you mentioned that material we can maintain here also. Like it automatically creates, or we have to create.
There are two
I have
ways.
idea of
Two
CRM
ways.
and ESB system. Like
Correct.
so, so it is maintained at vendor side, then it is pulled at CRM. It's like that. So
There is
how it happens here?
two ways. You're correct. One is if it is used as a standalone. Okay, that means no integration. Then you can create a material within this application. Material is not that much extensive like how it is there in right? Is totally detailed part. Here you can create a product, quantities, you will have a categorization of the material, and then you can have a price of the material if it is a standalone. But when it is integrated with ECC or any other S4HANA or whatever application, it is recommended to have a material in C4C from a backend system. So it need to be pulled from S4HANA or ECC system to C4C system, because it's always have a one-way replication from backend to
One-way
C4C
replication.
from C. So it is not two-way. Customer is always two-way replication. Created here, replicated to S4 or ECC, and if that is created in ECC S4, it will come to C4C.
Okay.
Similar for the quotation and order.
Got it.
Okay. Anything else? Let me know. And uh, that's all for today from my side. Nikhil, Lava, Sachin. Anything else? Let me know.
Yeah,
Or
no,
if it is okay.
it's clear. Yeah, it's fine.
Clear, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
Good. Okay then, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining. And
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Bye guys.